Here I am, 8 years on now from when I was diagnosed, when I was told my life expectancy would be 5 to 8 years. And you do take what you're told as gospel. You know, you're told that's your life expectancy. And that, well, you imagine being told, you know, it really brings you down. But don't take it as gospel, because I'll say 8 years on, I've got this allotment with direct payments because somebody in social services got it that direct payments could be used for well-being, not just for respite, or because this is my respite, but something I enjoy doing. So I come down here, and sometimes I don't do any work, I just bring my book because I haven't got a garden at home. I come down here, I see people, other allotmenteers, we have a chat, we swap food, I can listen to the birds, grow my own produce so I'm eating healthy, I'm getting my exercise. Plus it's something I love, it's for me, it's mine. I can do what I want on it, not in a day-centred people telling me what to do, but this for my well-being. It's just lifted my spirits, and during COVID, the lockdown, it's been a lifesaver to me, because instead of just sitting in, especially with dementia, if you just sit in, the dementia takes you over because you lose all your social skills and any other skills, and you just get depressed and worse. So coming down here, especially since I used to be a landscape gardener, all my skills I find are coming back to me, so thanks to direct payments really. It's lovely mixing with people that haven't got dementia. A lot don't know I have dementia, so they treat me, you know, normal, like they would speak to any other people. I have told a couple, because they asked why I've called it loss of plot. So I say, oh, it's because I've got early onset dementia, and then they'll start a conversation, and then I can educate them, because they'll say, oh, my mother's got, you know, what should we do? I mean, since I got the direct payments for the allotment, I feel I've got a purpose again. I've got to come and water it. I can chat to people. I get the pleasure from sowing the seeds to looking after them, you know, watering them, keeping them safe, to harvesting and eating them. And that gives me a purpose, instead of having my purpose taken away by being told, oh, you've got to go into a care home or a day centre or memory cafes, or do something you enjoy doing. So it's given me back a purpose in my life. People treat me as me, not the lady with dementia, or I'm just Teresa. I've lost the plot.